Hello everyone, welcome back to the College Dunia Exams YouTube channel. Waiting for the MHT CET 2026 result? Well, you are not alone. And yes, this moment can feel overwhelming. But here's the good news. Your result is not just a scorecard. It's your gateway to top engineering and medical colleges in Maharashtra. In this video, we will walk you through everything from result dates and how to check your score to what your percentile really means and what comes next. So stay with us till the end because your next step matters. MHT CET result 2026, your gateway to higher education. This is the moment you have been preparing for. Let's start with the most important thing, dates. The PCM Session 1 exam is scheduled from April 11 to April 20, 2026. PCB Session 1 follows from April 21 to April 26. Session 2 begins with PCB on May 10 and 11 and PCM from May 12 to May 16. Now coming to results, Session 1 results are expected in May 2026 with final results released after full evaluation, so make sure you keep checking official updates regularly. When it comes to checking your result, don't take risks. The State CET Cell Maharashtra is the only official authority. Always visit the official website cetcell.mahacet.org. Downloading your result is simple if you follow the right steps. First, visit the official CET website. Next, click on the MHT CET result 2026 or scorecard download link. Then log in using your application number and date of birth or password. Once logged in, your scorecard will appear on the screen. Download it, save the PDF, and don't forget to take a printout. You'll need it for counseling. Now let's decode your scorecard. It includes your personal details like name, roll number, and application ID. You'll see subject-wise scores for physics, chemistry, and maths or biology. Most importantly, your percentile score. This determines your position among all the candidates. And finally, your merit rank, which plays a key role in admissions. Your percentile is the most crucial number on your scorecard. It shows how you performed compared to other students across the state. Along with that, your roll number acts as your identity throughout the admission process. Subject scores reflect your strengths, while your merit rank decides your chances in seat allotment. In short, your percentile shapes your college journey. So, what happens after the result? First, you download your scorecard and register your CAP rounds. For CAP rounds. Next come document verification at facilitation centers. And finally, seat allotment based on your rank, preferences, and availability. Remember, your MHT CET rank drives this entire process, so keep all your documents ready. Here are some quick tips to make your experience smooth. Keep your login credentials safe before result day. Use a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi. Try checking your result during off-peak hours to avoid server issues. And always save multiple copies of your scorecard, both digital and printed. This result is more than just a number. It's your stepping stone to the future. Whether you are aiming for engineering or medical, this is where your journey truly begins. Stay updated, stay prepared, and move forward with confidence. And that's everything you need to know about the MHT CET result 2026. If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to College Dunia Exam channel for more such updates on exam, results, and admissions. Also, drop your questions in the comments. We are here to help you at every step. And remember, your result is just one milestone, not your destination. All the best for your future. Thank you.